So we're gonna go see how that goes. I'm gonna drive it because I'm not walking all the way out to the front gate. Oh my gosh, you guys, how will he do? So far so good, guys. He did have a little spook at my car because I was turning with the camera and he's like, eh. But he was good boy. Okay, so I'm gonna be really slow behind him because I don't want to spook him, and I'm gonna try to stay back. And she will be taking him on the road up here, not today I don't believe, but at some point, because she wants to take him to a barn across the street to school him. So this is part of the prep work for that. So he's gonna have to get used to kind of a car possibly back here anyway that might come behind him or in front of him. So this is a really good way to do it if you have a space just to kind of do this with your horse. This really is educational for him, and he's doing really, really well. Look at him go. Look at that boy. Oh, he had a little bitty spook. He said, I'm a little scared. So I just slowed down and stopped. She said he got spooked at the mini horses up here. Why do they spook at the mini horses? Like, they're horses like him, just small. He's also pastured next to some mini horses at night, so silly horse. Uh-oh, there's a truck coming. How will he handle this? Oh my God, you guys, I don't know. Should I keep filming? I'm scared for my horse. How's he gonna do? This is new for him. He's never had this happen. Oh my gosh, he's being so good. Look at him. Good boy. Look at he did it. Now, when he was younger, he had cars pass him when we would do road stuff, but that was in hand with me leading him. He's never done that with a rider. This is his first time, you guys. Oh my God, and did you see how well he did? Oh, he's my baby boy. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's doing it, guys. He's doing it. He's gonna make it to that gate, I think. Oh my gosh. He's like, oh, what's over there? Oh no, it's a pile of hay. Scary. Ooh, ooh. Good boy. Look at him. Look at him. Make his mama proud. Gosh, the sky's pretty. Look, you guys, it's the gate. It's the gate. Almost there. Good boy, buddy. It's just me in the car. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy, Beau. All right. Good boy.
I think it's the big shiny thing that's kind of got him like, what the?
Oh, yeah. But he did good. Good boy. So we're on our way back to the barn, you guys. He did a really good job for his first time going towards that gate out there. I'm so proud of him. Aww. He's growing up. Look at him look back. He's like, hi, Mom. Did you see it? I saw it, buddy. I saw it. You made me really proud. Still doing really well. He sees the horses. He says, hello. Save me. It's scary out here. He's doing a good job. Goodness gracious. Look at him. Look at him. What a good boy. Going right by him. Going right by the horses. Look at him. He's so good.